How can you improve your undergrad writing? That's the topic I'm addressing today in The Right Question. I'm Daphne Gray Grant, the publication coach, still in pandemic mode. I have a question from Saida Manor Raza, a student based in Islamabad, Pakistan. Here's what she's asked by email. I'm a recent high school graduate, and I'd like to improve my writing skills before I get to university. In particular, I'm wondering how I should go about conducting my initial research and making an outline in the most efficient way. Thanks for your question, Saida. Moving from high school to university is a big transition. I think you're really wise to get your writing skills in good shape. I've already done a lot of videos on researching, and I provide links to 3 of them in the show notes below. Meanwhile, however, let me give you my top 5 tips for undergrad writing. 1. Don't procrastinate. Just focus on accomplishing a little bit of work every day. When you get a paper assigned to you, start on it the same day. You don't need to spend hours on it. 15 minutes should be enough. But start. 2. Have one piece of software to store all your research. And make sure this software will also create your citations for you, which is why you shouldn't use Google Docs. 2 pieces of software that will do this for you are called Mendeley and Zotero. See links in the show notes below. Both are free. 3. Start keeping a research diary. This is separate from the actual research, and it should contain your thoughts, feelings, and opinions. I've done a separate blog post on this topic. See link below. 4. Break the habit of editing while you write. While editing is important, perhaps even the most important step of the writing process, it's something you need to do separately. You can worry about quality when you're editing. Get as many words on the page or screen as fast as you can. I've done a separate blog post on this topic. See link in the show notes below. 5. Don't ever outline before writing. I know, your high school teachers probably insisted on outlining, but they were wrong. I suggest mind mapping instead. It's a lot more creative, engaging, and fun. Writing doesn't have to be hard, painful work. It can and should be enjoyable. Mind mapping will help make it that way. See link in the show notes below. I remember struggling with my own habits related to undergrad writing many decades ago. How I wish I'd known then what I know now. Finally, let me wrap up with the words of productivity expert Neil Fiore. There's a myth that time is money. In fact, time is more precious than money. It's a non-renewable resource. Once you've spent it, and if you've spent it badly, it's gone forever. Saida, many students who need to do undergrad writing approach the task with a combination of horror and dread. You'll be doing yourself a big favor and increasing your odds of success if you see writing as a way to express yourself. Writing needn't be a drudgery. If you'd like to learn more about how to make your writing a happier and more rewarding task, check out my latest book, Your Happy First Draft. It's not available in bookstores or on Amazon. The only place you can get it is my website, link below and in the show notes.